What up, YouTube world? It's your boy in the world dirty, the founder, the creator, the CEO. I'm here to give you guys some helpful tips, some helpful tricks on how to use the comb. I hear you guys. I get the emails. Some of you guys want to know how to use it. So tip number one, if you have mixed hair, meaning if you mix black and white, black and Mexican, black and Asian, black and European, whatever it may be, you have some black in you, you have something else in you. You're going to need a holding gel and maybe even a holding spray. Why? Because your hair is a little bit more thin, and when you jump into a pool of water, your hair grows down below your forehead. You have to understand that this hairstyle is for hair that naturally grows up, naturally stays up by itself, and we don't need any extra help keeping our hair staying up. That being said, I highly recommend our Twisted Up Gel Wax, as seen right there, or wherever my edit man is gonna put it, maybe right in front of my face. You want to use that gel. It works phenomenal. It smells really, really good. It's great. Another thing that you can use is bing. So how I did that? Magic. Pump it up spray. This or a Tresemme holding spray. It's a great holding spray that is going to allow your hair to hold the twist when you do decide to twist your hair. So those are the two products if your hair is mixed. Also, if you have that thick, just coarse, beautiful mane where you can just slap it and it don't go anywhere, I will again use the Twisted Up Gel, just because you want to separate your hair and you want to use a product that is going to allow your hair to twist in like under 60 seconds. Tip number two, water, agua, as the Spanish culture would say. I'm part Spanish, so I'm gonna say agua. You wanna stay away from it. No agua, no water. The more you wet your hair, the looser your hair is gonna be. A perfect example is that you see my hand? Well, let's use my right hand, because my right hand's crooked. Long story, not for this video. You see my hand? When I grab it, it's not going anywhere. If my hand was to be dipped in water or oil, and I was to grab my hand again, it'd be easy to slip out, right? The comb works the same way. My comb is not a sponge. It does not absorb your hair, it does not dry it out, so your hair has to naturally be in that state already. So stay away from water. Tip number three, should my hair be picked out? As you can tell, my hair is picked out. If your hair is longer than 2-3 inches, don't pick it out. The longer your hair is, the more work the comb is gonna have to penetrate, right? As I pick out my hair, now I'm gonna have to push this comb through this beautiful cloud of fluffiness. I get it. Some people are used to doing it that way. For me, personally, I just put the product in my hair and we're good to go. Tip number four, on your wash day. We tend to wash our hair maybe once, maybe twice a week. Every hair texture is different. Every hair texture is different. But on your wash day, you need to understand that you are removing and stripping your hair to its bare bones. And even my hair tends to get thin on my wash day. If I was to wash my hair and try to go out that same day, I'm gonna need to add a lot of some type of pomade, shea butter, oils, just to really thicken up my hair again. So what I like to do, I would like to wash my hair the night before. I will put my Shea Moisture, shout out to you guys, because you guys make a terrific product. And then I will put either some Swax. My man out in Atlanta, Georgia, been using this product for like a year. I freaking love it. It really hydrates the hair. Or, man straight out of Connecticut, we call this Maddox or Maddox, M-A-D-D-O-X. I will put that in my hair after the Shea Moisture the night before to thicken up my hair. And then again, when I wake up, I will add some more of that product in my hair and then just twist my hair. And I'm done in under 60 seconds. So that being said, enough talking, enough tips, enough tricks. Let's see what you guys all came here to see. To take this beautiful cloud, Lion King, Mufasa mane and transform it into that sexy twist that make the girls go crazy. My hair's already picked out. We don't have footage of me picking out my hair because I cry. That hurts. I'm gonna put my man Swax, put a little bit, fire. See that? Put that in my hand, work it in an up and down motion like you're trying to make a fire. So we're gonna take it and just work it in. I like to sing the Twisted Up song when I do this. Ever since I got a twisted up comb. No, I'm kidding. My voice is horrible and I'm not gonna torment you guys. Do the words cruel and unusual punishment mean anything to you? Now that my hair is messed up, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the comb and I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair. There's 1 of 3 ways you can use the comb. You can grab it like so, index finger right in the middle, thumb on the other side, grab it, bam. Or you can just let that dangle and use it like so, or look at that. You can grab it by the outside. So I'm gonna use it in all 3 ways so you can understand how to use it. First and foremost, you need to understand your curl pattern. Sometimes your hair grows better going this way, away from your face. Sometimes it grows better going this way, towards your face. Find out your curl pattern. Mine is forward. So that being said, let's get twisty. Boom. Big circles. You just want to do one side for like, let's just say 15, 20 seconds, right? Then we switch to the next side. Ever since I got a twisted up comb, my life's been wonderful. Ever since I got a twisted up comb, my life's been wonderful. I used to use that dirty ass sponge, and that life just was no fun. Bet my barber used his twice. Hold up, think that's how I got life. Hey, ever since I got a twisted up comb. Boom! Like magic. Some hair flew in my mouth. My hair is done. Don't mind the lineup because I know I need one. And to be honest, shooting a professional video, I should have got a lineup before we did this, but time is money. I'm very busy. So here you go. You got the boss man, raw, no haircut, doing a video because he loves his twisted up supporters. So please be nice in the comment section. You're gonna see in some other videos, people that have long hair, even though I said to stay away from water, yo, if your hair is like 8-9 inches long, like we need to compact that. And the best way to compact your hair is to go ahead and damp it. So you're gonna wet your hair, you're gonna dry it out, and then put in the leave-in conditioner to again compact your hair, and then add the products to actually that's gonna get you that desired twist. When you do that process, it is important that as your hair starts to dry out throughout the day, go ahead and reuse the comb, touch it up a little bit, and you will find out that the comb works even better. You will find out that the more thick and full your hair is, the better the comb works. And the wetter and softer your hair is, you're gonna need some more product, whether it's a holding gel or a holding spray. Hey, you guys out there that just wanna, adapt this hairstyle, be cool, look fresh. I appreciate your support, but I'm terribly sorry. I know it's a new invention and you wanna support us, but if your hair looks like this, don't buy it. It's not gonna work. Your hair is naturally straight. It is more wavy than curly, and it doesn't matter what I put in your hair. I can't make your hair Afrocentric if it's not Afrocentric. I do apologize. For the culture, twist it up, embrace your natural beauty, and remember that you are the most beautiful representation of yourself when you have the courage to be yourself. And I am very happy that my comb is on the forefront of this natural phase where my culture is able to embrace their natural look. And I am proud to be black, I'm proud to be in America, and I'm proud to wear my hair proudly, and I'm proud to represent my culture in this way. And you should too. The more of us that come together wearing this style, especially for our sisters, the short and natural, we just need to stand together and support each other. Love y'all. Short take!